everything in my card if you my boyfriend. Invest in this pussy boy, support black business.
So we got it. We got the goods. I need a knife.
Secure the bag, secure the TELFAR.
Secure the TELFAR. This is my second TELFAR bag. I was on a bag security thing and it took like 100,000 years for me to get my bag. And I will show you that one after this one. Is my dress showing? Probably was showing in the other one. I have to blur that out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so it has this plastic thingy. And then it has the test bag. Are you ready? Oh my god. Mia, look! It's so big. Chocolate. Oh my god. Wait, let me breathe for a second before I continue. I put this shirt on for the video because black owned businesses. It's from here. And it matches the bag, so you know. Win-win. Okay.
What's her name?
Oh my god. Right now, her name is Coco because that's all I could think of on the spot. But it might stay Coco. Alright, so this is the medium round bag. I don't know if they call it chocolate or not. Just call it dark brown. They call it the dark brown medium shopper. And it has like attached straps. But you could just tuck them in the bag if you don't want to use them and just... I'm gonna stand up. Yes, I'm wearing sweatpants. And... oh my god. Okay, and in the inside, it's kind of like a linen-y material. And it has like one pocket. I can't tell if that's silver or gold. What do you think that the zipper is?
That looks like silver.
Okay, I was verified by the best that it is silver. And I could fit a whole lot in here. Yo, somebody laptop me. Laptop me. Laptop me. This is not my laptop, by the way. Okay, laptop inside, phone inside, another phone inside, melatonin inside, water bottle inside. Come on, come on, Bruno. Nick's dog inside. All right, get out my bag, get out my bag. She's so cute. And I could fit more stuff in here, but because I love her so much, I'm not putting no more. It retails for $200, $202. And I think shipping's included. I don't even remember. But do I care? No. Because I'll do it again.
And I do it again.
Alright, BRB. I gotta get the other one. Who's getting a 2-in-1 today just because I never showed anybody this one. And I'm not going nowhere. So I'm just going to show the internet instead. She's so cute too. I had to get 2 sizes because duh. Also comes with the straps, not removable. Wish they were, but you just shove that hole in and you got your bag. This one's very small and I could just fit probably my card holder. I have this card holder almost. Not really. They're different reds. Fit. Let me see. What phone is this? No, like what size? I mean.
The 11 Pro Max.
This is an iPhone Max. And I think I could fit it in sideways. It's gonna struggle a little bit, but I can do it. Let's see what else I can put in there. Candy bar. That's all I have at hand. Let's try the melatonin again. Melatonin is pushing it. Let's see. But it's doable. So, you know, get your keys, get your phone, your wallet. That's all you need in this life. I hope they hit me up and be like, hey Ariel, you were super cute. Model for us and do a twirl. And I'll do it for free. I don't know the size of these bags, like the inches and everything, but I'll put them on the screen if I figure it out. This one retails for $150, I think, and this is just their red small shopper. Yeah, love it. And the bag is going in the bag. And just wait, because I ordered another one. Don't mess with me and my son's son, who is in the mail. Won't be here till, my bag will be here by Juneteenth. So wait on it. It's a collaboration with UGG, and it will go with my new Timbs. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. I forgot to do my little walk. All right. You can't even see me. Excuse me, door. You were talking to me? You weren't.